Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the different types of research. Research is a diverse field with various approaches and methodologies used to investigate and understand the world around us. Let's dive into the different types of research and their characteristics. Quantitative research aims to quantify the problem and generate numerical data that can be transformed into usable statistics. This type of research employs structured approaches to gather data from a larger sample size. Surveys, telephonic interviews, longitudinal studies, online polls, and experiments are commonly used methods in quantitative research. By collecting and analyzing numerical data, researchers can identify patterns, relationships, and statistical significance, providing a more objective and generalizable understanding of the research topic. On the other hand, qualitative research focuses on understanding human behavior, reasons, opinions, and motivations. It delves into the depth and richness of subjective experiences, aiming to provide a comprehensive understanding of the research topic. Qualitative research methods often include focus groups, interviews, and participant observations. Researchers engage with participants directly, gathering detailed insights and capturing nuances that quantitative approaches may overlook. It is important to note that qualitative research mostly utilizes non-random sampling techniques, as the emphasis is on obtaining in-depth information rather than generalizability. Fundamental or basic research. This type of research focuses on building new knowledge and enhancing our understanding of a subject. It involves the collection and analysis of data to establish theoretical relationships between variables. Fundamental research often employs procedures such as sampling and hypothesis testing, and it can be conducted in a laboratory setting as well. Applied research, on the other hand, involves the application of known theories and principles in real-world practices. Its purpose is to solve specific and practical questions and provide useful insights derived from existing theories. Applied research bridges the gap between theory and practice, bringing about tangible benefits in various fields. Action research focuses on immediate application rather than theory development. It emphasizes launching direct actions to obtain workable solutions to practical problems, particularly in social studies. This type of research follows a scientific procedure to identify and correct problems, with a focus on improving and identifying effective practices. It is often classified under developmental research and follows a plan, act, observe, and reflect cycle. Experimental or laboratory research involves the manipulation of variables in a controlled environment, typically a laboratory. It aims to evaluate and analyze cause and effect relationships, identifying the factors that influence outcomes. This type of research follows the law of single variable, where one variable is manipulated while others are controlled to determine its impact. Historical research is a critical inquiry into past events, aiming to understand them in the light of past experiences. It involves the examination of primary and secondary sources to explain the situations of the past and their relevance to present-day problems. Descriptive research focuses on providing a description of the state of affairs or existing knowledge. It often uses ex post facto methods, where variables are not directly influenced or controlled. Conclusions drawn from descriptive research cannot be generalized to other situations due to the lack of controlled variables. Cross-sectional research is observational in nature and provides a snapshot of a specific population or phenomenon at a given time. It is not causal or relational and often utilizes existing data, which may not have been collected by the researcher personally. Longitudinal research measures changes in a sample over a period of time. It involves repeatedly using the same techniques on the same sample to observe and analyze trends and patterns. Data is collected at different time points by the researcher themselves. Lastly, analytical research focuses on understanding cause and effect relationships. It examines the impacts, effects, and underlying reasons behind phenomena, aiming to provide insights into the mechanisms and processes at play. And that concludes our overview of the different types of research. Each type has its own unique characteristics and purposes, catering to diverse research needs. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you.